Hello cookies, welcome back. This is package 2 of 2 for my Coach Reserve. And let's get right into the package. I could tell it's not brand new because of the way that it's wrapped. So this is it. I've seen this a while ago. This is the soft purple backpack in PW. I don't know what that is. It's like crinkled leather. This is the Coach tag on it, and it has like a cotton. It feels like cotton. This is the inside, and it comes with a dust bag. Let's see, how big is the dust bag? Oh, it should fit. It's kind of crinkly. It has a front zipper pocket that's already open, and it has the same fabric lining on the inside, and it has the C. It's like in that metal. It's not black. I can't think of the name, of course, right now, but this is the front pocket. It has 2 pockets here. Looks like it could fit a cell phone. I did a short on this a while ago when these first came out. And this is what the bottom looks like. And the back pocket is pretty deep. It's not that deep. It's about here. So that's that. This is what it looks like in the bag. And it has the Coach tag. It's padded. Purple. Oh, it's so cute. It has the gussets on the side here. And it has a 2-way zipper, which I love. So shout out to Minnie. She's doing this backpack for August. So this is how thin it looks. I'll put the measurements on the side. I do have my iPad. My Pro is 12.9 here. Let's see what that looks like in there. That fits comfortable, so I know for sure my laptop would fit. I did bring this. This is a Cynthia Raleigh. This is like a bag insert. It has a zipper, 2 pockets on the side, and this hip pocket. And it's like this vinyl plastic on the outside. And then this is for your keys. So usually when I have a floppy backpack, I would put this in the inside to kind of make it stationary. So let's see how that looks in here. That looks like that fits pretty good. I could put my laptop there, and then I have my little Dooney & Bourke cosmetic case handy here, and my Dooney & Bourke wallet. So I just wanted to give you an example. This looks like it'll hold the, maybe not binders for school, maybe one small one or something, but it's you can see that makes it a little stationary. Let's put the dust bag in here to kind of fill this in a little bit. This is what it's looking like. Oh, it's nice. It's not too thick. It's all leather. This is what the bottom looks like. It's like the crinkly leather, but it's real. It's like soft, but it's not like, yeah, it's really soft. It's kind of like, yeah, it feels almost like plastic, but you can tell it's leather. Oh, it's so cute. I'm really excited to have this in my collection. Yeah, when I go to work this week, I'll probably carry it to break it in. Maybe I'll do what's in my bag in it, but you guys have an idea of what fits. And so that's it. It's very nice, and I love this like cotton fabric in the inside. So that's what it looks like, what fits in the inside. And of course you can put a few more items in here, of course. So that's it. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you, cookies, so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. All right. Have a good week. Have a good day. I'll see you guys soon. Peace out. Deuces. Oh yeah, I did receive a email when I ordered this saying that my order was canceled. So I quickly got back on the website and I ordered another one. So now I have two. Here's the other one. It's just like it. It's identical. They did have one in a navy blue, but when I went back on, I really wanted the soft purple. So now the girl has two, and of course your girl don't know. She don't need two. So if you're interested, send me a email, onerobincookie@gmail.com. All right, peace out. Deuces.